Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Uber code or discount. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Uber app on my device. I'm on the home page here. Now from here you want to click onto your account and make sure to sign in. As you can see, I'm signed in. And from here click onto payment and then scroll down. And then right at the bottom of the page, you got vouchers or promotions. So you can add a voucher code here and then put in the voucher code and then click on continue. And once you've done that, go back. And now you can use that voucher to purchase your next Uber or pay for your next Uber. Or if you've got a promotion, you can go ahead and click on add promo code, put in the promo code here, click on add, and then that promo code will be added to your Uber. So you can use that on your next ride. And to find vouchers or promo code deals, simply just go to Google and type in promo codes or vouchers for Uber. And any one of the top results there, you might be able to score yourself on. And another thing here, check these options every now and then. As you can see, I've already got 2 promotions. I've done nothing to get these. So every now and then, Uber will give you promotions to use for your next ride as well.